Next item, 37 to 38. Is the solution correct? Explain your answer. So we're verifying that sine of 45 times cosine of 30 plus sine of 30 times cosine of 60 is equal to square root of 6 plus 4. Now let's try to solve this one on our own first, and let's verify where it went wrong in the solutions. So sine 45 is square root of 2 over 2. You can verify this on your calculators. Cosine 30 is also equal to square root of 3 over 2 plus sine of 30 is just 1 half, and cosine 60 is also 1 half. Now let's simplify. Square root of 2 times square root of 3, that's square root of 6. And then we multiply the denominators. 2 times 2, that's 4. Plus, this is 1 half times 1 half, that's equal to 1/4. Oh, sorry. This is addition. My bad. The given had addition. Plus sign. This should be 1 half plus 1 half. That's equal to 1. Okay. And then we can add them by using the LCD. So the square root of 6. And then this one, 1 divided by 1, sorry, 4 divided by 1, that's 4, times 1, that's equal to 4. Square root of 6 plus 4 over 4. Okay, so it looks like the solution is correct. Okay, again, it looks like the solution is correct. There are no errors here. Okay, and we can verify this. This is true using our calculators. So we can use any scientific calculator. So that's sine 45 times cosine 30 plus sine of 30 plus cosine 60. Hmm, what happened? So the answer is 1.61. And let's check if that is equal to the given value. So it's a fraction. Square root of 6 over 4 plus 4. Okay, they are indeed equal. Okay, so there are no errors in the solution. Okay, that looks right. And then finally, for number 39 to 40, we have the triangle PQR, where R is the right angle. So let's draw that. R. Okay, this is P and this is Q. And P is 40 degrees. and Q is 6. So we name the sides based on their opposite angle. So this is side P, this is side Q, this is side R. And Q is equal to 6. Find the measurements of side P and angle Q. Okay, we need to find side P and angle Q. You can actually solve for Q first because that's the easiest one. The sum of all the internal angles of a triangle is just equal to 180. So this is 90 and 40. So 90 plus 40, that is 130. Now we subtract this from 180, we get 50. So the measure of angle Q is 50 degrees. So that's one final answer. And what about the measure of angle or side P? So side P, we are given this angle 40 degrees. And we know that it's 40. Now we're looking for the opposite side based from that reference angle. Also, based from that reference angle, we are also given the adjacent side, which is Q. So opposite and adjacent, the trigonometric function that we need to use is tangent. Okay, from our SOHCAHTOA, we know that tangent theta is just equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side. So we know tangent of the reference angle 40 is equal to the opposite side, which is P, over the adjacent side, Q, which is 6. And now to solve for P here, we just multiply both sides by 6. So P is just equal to 6 times tangent 40. Now we type this on our calculators. 6 times tangent 40, we have 5.03. And that is our final answer. Okay? Okay, so let's just review all the answers. I think there are some errors. Okay? So for this one, it's an error in the test. So we're gonna do some revisions in the corrections, key to corrections. But this is the correct answer. They are parallel because their slopes are equal. Okay? Alright. And everything else seems correct. Okay. And that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope I was able to help you review with your test. And good luck. Good luck with the exams. Okay? I'll see you again next time. Bye.